Hello, this is Reverian Rotaisire who is back. I'm going to show you how we can explore some features of Congrea. Once we have finished schedule a session, you will go where you have scheduled and you have to join the virtual class. And first we have a page like this. You will wait until it allows you to continue. So now we have another page like this. This is a page of a learner, a participant, not the instructor. This is the, the user. So now, suppose you are a participant, for example. You are not the instructor. So now the features you will have, it's like this. Here at the bottom you have the mic. You have the to show up. This is for the video. And here we have also other tools. You want to check if your browser is compatible with the Congrea. And here you click next. You click next until you finish. So now you will have you will have uh, you will have a page like this one where we have this one in order to check the internet connectivity. Here this is the tools you use in order to check the compatibility of your system. And you once you have clicked on this one you will have this page where you have the mic and the camera. And here it will show it will show you that for my case it showed me that the internet was very slow. And here this is to validate the system requirement. And we have to, this is the first feedback of the system telling me that the browser is compatible. And for the internet testing speed, for me it was very slow. And the feedback was your bandwidth is too low and we are stopping video playback. You will still be able to hear audio and view screen. So now for the speaker. Now for the speaker, it doesn't have any problem here. And for the the mic, the microphone is working for this is for my system. And for the webcam, it's also working. Here, if the video is visible, it was like this one. So the webcam is working. So here I was following my colleagues, my teammates presentation, and this is Plamen, my team member, and he was presenting his lesson here. And that's it. I thank you very much.